welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to film me making dinner. Tonight I'm going to be making a beanless chili, which Mike doesn't like beans in his chili or just like beans in general. I just wanted to share it because it's super easy to make and I guess it's kind of healthy. I don't know, but I really like it. He really likes it. I don't make it too spicy because it gives him agita. So I wanted to go ahead and just do some sort of intro because I'm just going to do a voiceover because honestly, I'm kind of tired. So yes, stay tuned if you're interested in seeing some delicious beanless chili. You can add beans if you want, but yeah, subscribe. You're gonna need celery, onion, 2 cans of diced tomatoes with green chili, or you can use 3 depending on how much tomatoes you want, and then 2 cans of tomato sauce. I wind up using a packet and a half of the mild chili seasoning because I used a large quantity of ground turkey. I then just take the cans of the diced tomatoes and the tomato sauce, as well as chop up the celery and the onions, and I just kind of put that into the pot, and I don't turn it on yet. I just really put it in there just to get it out of my way before I start like browning the meat. I'll also just like leave everything in the description box below just so you can take a look if you want to look at the recipe opposed to hear me talk. Now, I am definitely no cook, no chef by any means, but one thing I found that makes cutting celery super easy is you just cut it down the middle and then you cut it down the sides, and it just makes it so much easier, as you can see. So that's my tip of the day. So I didn't show you the raw meat because I know some people are grossed out by that, but I've already browned it, I've already put the seasoning in there and everything, and then I'm just going to combine it into the pot with all the other ingredients, and I'm going to just kind of add a little bit of paprika and actually some ground cinnamon. I know it sounds super weird, but it actually tastes really good. And then I cover it, and it's on low heat, and you kind of just leave it for like a half hour to 40 minutes, however much, and it's pretty much done at that point. This is not a requirement, but it's kind of a must, having some biscuits. And then just, you know, scoop it into a bowl, top it off with some delicious cheese, and it's good to go. Obviously, when it's in the pot, I stir it, but it's super, super easy to make, and it's really good. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I think it's kind of healthy, maybe not with all that cheese that I put on there, but I'm into it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you'd like to see more of these.